Welcome to FACTS PT's comprehensive guide to help foreign trained physical therapists achieve licensure in the United States. Today, we are going to talk about getting licensed in North Carolina. We understand that navigating the licensing process can feel overwhelming, but we are here to simplify it for you. By following this step-by-step tutorial, you'll gain the clarity and confidence you need to move forwards. So let's get started. Step 1. Credential evaluation. Before beginning the licensure process, you must have your educational credentials evaluated to determine if your education is substantially equivalent to US standards. The evaluation must be completed by an agency that is accepted by the board, such as the FCCPT or IERF or ICD. The credentialing agency will evaluate your coursework, clinical experience, and other program requirements. North Carolina requires evaluation with the most recent coursework tool, which is the CWT-6. The credentialing report must be sent directly from the approved agency to the North Carolina PT board. This evaluation is a critical first step in determining your eligibility for licensure. Don't stress if you have deficiencies in your evaluation or if you have any questions pertaining to this step, because FACTS PT can help you with the post-evaluation services that we offer. Now, coming to your step 2, which is the English proficiency. You need to demonstrate proficiency in English by giving the TOEFL exam and scoring minimum scores such as reading 22, listening 21, speaking 24, writing 22. So you need a total minimum of 89. These scores must be obtained in a single sitting. FACTS PT can provide you with all the resources you need for clearing the TOEFL exam. Step 3 is the application submission. You need to complete the online application for licensure through the North Carolina PT Board website. Ensure all forms and supporting documents are in English or accompanied by an English translation. At the time of application, you are required to pay the prescribed fee. Step 4 is to register for the National Physical Therapy Examination, the NPTE, through the Federation of State Boards of Physical Therapy, that is the FSBPT. And then, of course, take the NPTE and clear it. Now, I understand that this is a competitive exam, it is difficult, but it is definitely achievable through hard work and proper planning. Okay? Now, after the NPTE exam is given, you have other steps to do, like the background check and jurisprudence exercise. And once all these documents are sent and the NPTE passing score is received, the completed application is sent to the board for review and approval. And once the completed application is approved by the board, applicants will then be licensed. So, thank you for joining us on this journey to licensure in North Carolina. I hope that this tutorial has provided you with the tools and knowledge to confidently take the next steps towards becoming a practicing physical therapist in North Carolina. As always, if you have any questions regarding any of this process, please feel free to contact us at FACTS PT. Thank you.